Hi, my name is Ken, and we're here in beautiful Milton, Georgia. So, about the gutters, I expanded a deck in the back, and we're about to put a pergola up. I thought, it's going to be hard to reach the gutters if the pergola is there, so I had a good look. There was build up there, and I thought it's probably time. This is a bit of an older home, probably time to address the gutters. And so I called David up, and he was very communicative. They just got done. Very professional job. I was kind of concerned about how the gutter downspouts, I guess they're called, go through the deck. And I mentioned to David I wanted that to look really nice cosmetically because it's a brand new deck, and I'm proud of it. Great job. And even the little downspouts into the get the water away from the foundation, and they put the mesh on there. Very professional work. Recommended without reservation.